Check out this vibration plate. I've been hearing a lot about vibration plates lately, so when the seller offered to send me this for free, I couldn't pass it up. Now check this out. Now to turn it on, there's just a switch in the back.
Bluetooth mode.
And she talks to you. Now this also comes with 2 resistance bands, and these are attached by this little lever here that pulls out from underneath. So if you're not going to use it, they'll hide and you can just slide them back in there. And these resistance bands have like a little clip, and then you just clip that onto the metal hook. And then you can work out your upper body. Now it also comes with this nice remote, so if you're standing up and you need to change your settings, you don't have to bend down and do so. Now what's really cool about these vibration plates is the farther apart your feet are, the more intense the workout is. So like your feet here on the outer part is running, then we've got jogging as you go in, and if you put your feet right together, it's just like you're walking. And as you can see here, you can use it in many different positions, sitting or standing. And then the book also gives you a little exercise quick start guide, which helps as well. Now let's go ahead and start. I love this vibration plate, and I think you will too.